What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning and welcome back to another video on XRP, which I haven't covered in quite some time, even though I know that a lot of you actually hold XRP and I have quite a significant XRP community on this channel. So today, when it was relatively bullish, I really needed to take a look at it. I analyze XRP every day because I trade it. But I haven't made a video about it in some time. So when I saw this move, the initial thought I had when I just checked it in bed. The initial thought I had was, all right, we have some bullish news, right? But I couldn't really find anything. So if there really was some news, let me know. I do want to check out the Twitter a little bit. Obviously, it's. I want to talk a little bit about the project in a moment, but there's no big news. I really thought there was some SEC news or something. But apart from that, volume hasn't even increased over the last 24 hours. We've just seen way more increased bullish momentum, which is a great thing. And the thing I wanted to talk about with XRP is, well, first of all, XRP obviously is a veteran in the crypto space, right? It's been around since 2013. It's very well developed. It's a very professional environment and company, Ripple at least. But apart from that, I think it's also maybe the closest thing to a stable crypto to actually transact. You can take a look at ever since that crash, the 12th of June, obviously it's not stable yet. But I think it's one of the best cryptos to actually use for borderless payments, right? For that utility of crypto, I think XRP right now, maybe together with Bitcoin or some stable coins on specific networks, I think XRP really, and if you're against stablecoins, definitely, right? I think it's one of the best solutions out there. So that's a great thing, I think, long term. That does mean that the price is less volatile, right? Because if it's relatively stable over the last couple of months, that means that not a lot of gains and losses were made, which it's positive or negative depending on how you look at it. But yeah, let's take a look at the price right now, because that's obviously one of the big reasons you're here as well. We're also taking a look at the price, what happened, what's probably going to happen next. So something pretty interesting has formed. What we did earlier today is we broke out of a major resistance level, which I was looking to short. I didn't short it because it didn't feel comfortable, but this was actually a major, this level between 34.5 cents and 34 cents. I'm actually not quite sure why we didn't find resistance there, because it's a major resistance level. Great thing though that I didn't take the short, because we had a massive bullish breakout and now we're struggling at this level right here at around 35.5 cents. At the trend line as well, but apart from that, it's also just a major resistance level right here between 36 and 35.5 cents is a quite strong resistance level. So what's happening right now is that we kind of have this formation, right? Usually I don't use these triangles, but it's good to use right now. So we have this formation. And I think we're sticking with this formation for a little bit longer. You can see that we're pretty bullish right now. I think we're dropping down to that level at 34.5 cents and also down to 34 cents. Then I do think 34 cents will hold. The thing is though, is it strong enough to actually break out of this bearish market structure? The trend line isn't everything, all right? I'm just using the trend line as a reference. It's also just a downtrend. Is it strong enough to actually get up to 36 cents? So basically two things can happen. We can have a bullish breakout. That would be if we reach 36 cents. If we do that, then I think first of all we can stay on top of 34 cents for a little bit longer, and I think we have the upside of going all the way up to this 36.5, 37 cents level. I don't think we'll break that. I think the market circumstances are too bearish for that, but at least it's a little bit more bullish momentum. So it's either breaking out of that market structure or it's dropping down below 34 cents, in which case the bearish momentum won. And after dropping below 34 cents, unfortunately, we're dropping all the way down to 32.5 cents again. So it's one of those two things. Right now, I have to be honest with you, and I don't think that reflects XRP's value. But I have to be honest, with these current market circumstances and interest rate decisions coming up next week, I feel like something like this is the more likely scenario. So that we stay on top of 34 cents for a little bit longer, but that eventually within the next 7 days it'll break, and that will drop down to this very strong, I must say, a support level between 33 and 32.5 cents. So yeah, that's my take on XRP right now. If you want to discuss that, or if you have any questions, I'm always open for that in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.